Visual Studio Code is our integrated development environment, often referred to as an IDE. There's a lot to it, and future lessons will include different special things that you can do with it. For right now, I want you to look through the Learn section. You can just become familiar with where the controls are. You won't be tested on any of this, but it shows you we have our File Explorer. We can search across files. We have source code management. This will allow us to integrate with GitHub, launch and debug, and manage extensions. This is an important one for today. For managing extensions, we can add new extensions or little programs that make this work better. We also have an interface overview and an interactive playground where you can see the different things that are here. We're going to want to work with our source control. We'll do that in a separate video. You can search and do find and replace across multiple files. We can run and debug. There's some easier ways to do that for the web environment. And then we can add our extensions here. And this is one that I want you to work with. We're going to use several different extensions, and you can search for them in the marketplace. So we'll want Beautify, and this is one that I use. You can see I have it enabled. I can disable and uninstall. I'd also like to add Beautify CSS, which I also have installed. And you can read the directions on how to use it in here. And then you should also get spell check. And use the code spell checker. And so, I need to reload this one to update the extension. I need to update that because mine's not completely up to date. I'll reload it when I'm done here. And then we want to look for FTP and install FTP Simple. And we want to look for our GitHub integration. And so we're going to use GitHub right here. So those are the things that you need to install. You'll learn to use them as we go on into creating web pages and working in the class, but you'll want to install those extensions. They will make using the software easier. Oh, there's one other. You should get Open in Browser. You can do Open in Browser, which I have, and there's also an Open with the default browser. There's various ones for here. Open in default browser. That's the other one that I use. So those are all the extensions that at this point I use in Visual Studio Code. I might run into some others throughout the class that we add in at a later time when we get into usability, but these are the ones that you should install to begin.